If you want to connect your OPPO Find X9 with your PC by using O+ Connect, then first of all we're gonna go to Settings. Now over here choose Cross-Device Connectivity, and then we want to choose PC. Now we have the multiscreen connect where we can find some information about O+ Connect, and we need to install O+ Connect on our PC. So in this case we're gonna go to the computer, open a browser, and you want to go to connect.oppo.com. And of course we want to install the app. We want to choose for PC over here, so let's select it and download the app. Now in this case we can use for Windows or for Mac, so you can choose whichever suits you, whichever operating system you do have. And then of course confirm by choosing the download O+ Connect button. Now we need to install the app, of course, so we need to agree to user agreement and privacy notice. We can also join the user experience program, but it is not really necessary. We can also choose the installation path in order to change it if you want to, of course, do that, and just click on install. And once the installation is done, we can just click on get started button. Afterwards, the best way to actually use the app is by using your OPPO account. So we're gonna sign in. Over here on the left side we can click to sign in, or we can choose sign in to connect automatically over here. Then we can choose our device brand, so of course in our case it is OPPO. And then use credentials, either the phone number and password, or we can switch to email and password. In case you need to get the verification code, remember to click on get code over here on the right side and then check your email. And there we go, now we are searching for devices in the app, of course. And if needed we can also press add device over here. On our OPPO Find X9 we can go to add new device, and over here we are searching, and there we go, I actually managed to find my computer, and it seems that I automatically connected without having to do anything. And we can also find it on the computer as well. We can see the information about our phone. So now we can easily access files. We can also go to screencast, for example, in order to cast the screen on computer, and so on and so forth. So be sure to check out all these options. Whereas on the phone, let me actually go over there. There we go. If we go back, remember that you also have some additional options in here. We can also go to remote PC control in order to connect to your computer once again to remotely control your computer. To remotely control, you might need to switch from account to password in case you cannot find an available device. And if you go to password, then you can find the device code and connection password in order to find this information that you need to enter over here. On the app, you want to go to remote control over here on the left side. And remember that you need to allow remote control over here to be able to use your computer on your phone. There we go. Now of course we can tap over here to turn this option on or off. And there we go, I can actually access my computer quite easily. We have the mouse, which we can also use over here. And I'm not sure actually how to... Oh, there we go, I actually grabbed the app quite easily. So yeah, definitely lots to figure out over here. Definitely cool stuff. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.